What's up? So today I'm gonna be going ahead and putting on a wig, and this wig is from Bejoy. You guys, so this is the wig right here. It has really pretty curls. I'm honestly pretty excited to wear this. I won't make it easy for you now. So you guys, this lace is honestly a little bit darker than what I am, but we're gonna make it work. Also, what I did do, the reason, I don't know if you guys can see it really, but there's a little bit of like, kind of like, it looks like there's like powder on the hair, and it's because I tried this method where you put hairspray and powder inside of the wig cap because it is a little bit darker, so I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. It did work, but I think I went a little bit overboard because it went through the lace. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it, you'll swear. You falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make it sweat on me. I wanna make it sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and honestly I'm really feeling this wig. It's really beautiful, you guys. The curls are really beautiful, and I just really love like this hair. It feels really soft, and the only really problem that I had was the lace was a little bit too dark for me, but I kind of sort of made it work. Besides that, overall, like, the wig is very beautiful. It's very light, it's very like soft. The curls are very beautiful. I do recommend it to you guys, so if you guys are interested in it, you guys can definitely head to my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bestos.